Good morning everyone. This is the video of chapter 10 and exercise 10.1. So the first question is draw a line, say AB, take a point C outside it, through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compass only. So basically with the use of ruler and compass you have to draw a line AB and then draw another line with the point C parallel to it. So firstly we will draw a line AB of any measurement. मीन्स हम कितनी भी लंबी लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ये मैंने एक लाइन ड्रॉ की है, दैट इज़ ए एंड बी. इस वीडियो में मैं कंस्ट्रक्शन लिखूंगी नहीं, मैं आपको सिर्फ कंस्ट्रक्शन करके दिखा रही हूँ. लिखा हुआ जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है वो आपको ऑलरेडी मैं PDF में मैं सेंड कर दूँगी. ठीक है. सो मैंने एक लाइन ए बी ड्रॉ की है. ऑन द लाइन वी विल मार्क ए पॉइंट, सपोज Q, एंड आउटसाइड ऑफ द लाइन वी विल मार्क अनदर पॉइंट P. Now we will join these two points P and Q. After joining them we will use the compass, and with the help of compass put the pointer, this is called the pointer of the compass, put the pointer of the compass at point Q and draw an arc of any radius which cut both the lines AB and PQ at some point. With the help of this arc, again with the help of compass, again draw a arc from point P as a center and this is our arc. Now you can see from here to here we have 2 points. This is our E point and this is our F point. So from E to F you can also draw a line and now measure that line. Firstly give the name this G. Now when you measure EF you got a length which is equal to this. Now put the pointer of the compass on the G and draw an arc. This arc will cut the previous arc at point H. This point is H. Now draw a line from H to P approximately equal to AB. So this will be line CD which is parallel to AB. So this is the second question. Here draw a line L, draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Through X draw a line M parallel to L. So firstly we will draw a line of any length. This is our line and the name of this line is L. Okay. Now we will draw a perpendicular at L. So firstly we will take a point on L and then with the help of protractor we will draw a perpendicular that is of 90 degree, and this is our perpendicular. Suppose this is line N. Now we have to cut 4 cm. So take the distance of 4 centimeters in your compass, put it on point N or on line N and cut 4 centimeters away from the line. Here we have got point X as mentioned in the question number 2. From X we will draw a line parallel to L, and this is our line which is parallel to L. This is called line M. So this is the third question. In this question the first is let L be a line and B be a point not on L. So firstly we will draw a line L. This is our line L and we will take the point P outside of the line L. This is our point P. Now take a point Q on L and draw a line from P to Q. Take any radius in the compass and draw an arc at Q, and with the same radius draw an arc from point P as a center. Now take the distance. Take the distance between the arc, and from the same distance cut an arc at the previous arc. Now we will have a point. Draw a line with these 2 points and you will get the line M. At line M, mark a point R. Draw an arc of the same radius as you have did in P. Take the radius as you have taken. Take the radius as you have taken previously and mark an arc and draw a line and this point will be S. So in that way we can make 2 parallel lines along with. Thank you.